All right, guys, check it out. The moment you and I have been waiting for. What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat on Thanksgiving. If you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Today is the day before Thanksgiving, and I got a bunch of stuff that we're going to be eating. So I'm going to go to the kitchen and show you guys what we got. Fortunately, can't eat it yet, but for you guys, it'll be the next cut and it'll be the morning of Thanksgiving. So we'll be making some really good food, and I can't wait to show you guys that. But for now, let's get in the kitchen. Let me show you guys what I got. All right, guys, so here's a little bit of the stuff that I got for our vegan Thanksgiving. It's shaping up to look like a feast here. Look at these cheesy bacon mac by Upton's Naturals. Love these because the ingredients are pretty clean compared to, you know, other mac and cheeses like Daiya and whatnot. Also got some plant-based Beyond sausages. Got the hot Italian. If you guys remember these, I made these in my epic vegan nachos video that was about 4 or 5 months ago, I think. So that was really good. I'm stoked to get these because they're on sale. Only $1 cheaper than usual, so nothing crazy, but saving some money. Also, I got the lightly breaded turkey cutlets from Gardein. I had the roast by this brand last year. It was really good. Unfortunately, they were all sold out in the stores this year, so if you guys got it, lucky for you. I'm pretty sure these will still be just as good. They also do have the gravy along with them. Got 2 gravy packs included, as you can see, so that should be pretty good. And then right here, there's 2 pies in each one, so there's 4 total. So we're gonna be making some sweet potato pie and also some pumpkin pie. So that's what that's for. Forgot what the coconut cream is for, but we'll figure that out. Got these cheddar shreds in case we need anything to be extra cheddary if we make some potatoes or something like that, mashed potatoes. And then of course, the vitamin A nutrient powerhouse organic sweet potatoes. Can't wait to dig into these. Let's look at these macros real quick. Surprised they don't put vitamin A in there, considering how high they are in vitamin A. Is what it is though. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. So I can't wait to show you guys this food when it's all cooked up. Tonight is the night before. So, you know, I'm really hungry. I want to eat this stuff, but I'm not going to eat it. But I can't wait to show you guys this tomorrow. So stay tuned. My friend challenged me to get in the water. We're supposed to go play football, but no one showed up. But happy Thanksgiving. Let's get uncomfortable. I'm gonna try to do 5 minutes. Hello, friends. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Hope you guys are having a great day. About to enjoy some good food. I got challenged by my friend to get in the water, and yeah, it's cold. So you saw me hop in the pool. Or I guess I didn't really hop in it, right? Yeah, I don't know how cold it was, but I only had a 1-month membership to that cold tub place, and that ended. And now it's getting colder here in Arizona. It's like 61 degrees today. So I figured why not get in the actual water in my pool, because it's probably gonna be almost just as cold. I don't think it's 45 degrees because my feet didn't start to hurt like they usually do, but I think it was at least like 55. I mean, if the weather's 61 and it was probably colder throughout the night, you'd think the water probably is right around that temperature, right? And it did feel pretty cold. And when I got out and I was drying myself off, my body, or wherever I was drying myself, was stinging. And that's how it was when I was on the cold tub. So now let's go inside and let's show you guys what we have cooking in the kitchen. Gonna show you guys the roasted vegetables first, because we're not gonna be finished yet. I'm still waiting for my brother to get here, but I'm probably gonna fix me a plate before he gets here because I'm hungry and I haven't really eaten all day. So can't wait to show you guys the food. Let's go back into the kitchen right now. All right, guys, check it out. Got these mushrooms getting ready to roast. Got the cauliflower and the broccoli that you guys saw from yesterday. And got these carrots, sweet potatoes, and potatoes just awaiting to go in the oven. Also got some biscuits in the oven. And we got some potatoes right here. We're making some mashed potatoes with those. Show you guys the final product when we finish. All right, guys, check it out. The moment you and I have been waiting for. Got the roasted veggies right here looking absolutely delicious. Got the cheesy bacon mac from Upton's Naturals right here. It's the mac and cheese. I also added some of that hot Italian Beyond sausage to it. Got the chili that also has the Beyond sausage in there, a bunch of beans and veggies. Got the mashed potatoes right there, and I used the gravy from the Gardein cutlets, which aren't actually in the picture yet. Got the pumpkin pie right there, sweet potato pie. Of course, we got the greens, celery, carrots, cucumbers, some homemade biscuits. Can't wait to dig into those, and it's looking like a feast. Look at this.
Check out this plate, guys. Oh, make sure to follow me on Instagram to see this amazing picture that I just took. This plate is stacked. Cannot wait to dig in.
And that concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And once again, happy Thanksgiving to you guys and your family. Also, in the next 2 days, on November 30th, I'm going to be dropping a no caffeine for 30 days video. Yes, I have not drank caffeine all of November, so I can't wait to show you guys the results that I've experienced. And stay tuned for that video. I'll be dropping in 2 days, so I can't wait to see you guys there. But in the meantime, you can watch a video right here or right here. I don't remember exactly what side it's on, but I'll put one of my other videos right there so you guys can enjoy it. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. The deuce.